All right, guys, we made it into Disneyland, and yeah. So we're gonna be kind of feel like having like a hot chocolate or something. So we're gonna try to look for something like that, but yeah, I don't know if I want to do a ride or something. Well, let's just go explore, see what comes up. All right, the tree's gone. I haven't been here since the tree was here, so all right, let's go explore. All right, guys, so they have a Kingdom Hearts pin. I don't know if it's focused correctly, and they have a Mickey Kingdom Hearts pin. I'm glad that they have more Kingdom Hearts stuff, but it's very rare inside the park. So let's go explore. I haven't been here since the holiday season, so this is my first time here since the blackouts were lifted. The blackout dates were. Starbucks. Kind of tempted.
Hey Melissa, what's the number for the
Let's check out the shop here. Usually I like to go in here, take a look at what's up.
Oh, that is so cool.
Ooh, they have like the little clocks here. Purple. It's just so unfortunate that they have so many clothes for like women, but like the guy section is just like a tiny little area. Yeah. I've always wanted that Disney polo, but
oh, like the see the bird up there? No. Yes, Susan Watch Company. So the machines that they built those machines.
probably gonna hit up Tomorrowland, and then just go around to each land, go from there. Alright guys, made it to the Star Wars shop. It's like not much here in regards to like variety. Maybe just go check out the that one is awesome. Oh, that Black Panther sweater is pretty cool. Yeah, maybe just check out the Star Wars land. I think we're gonna head that way right now. Batu. We'll head that way. I don't think we'll be doing any rides today. Oh, that's a really cool backpack.
So we can get to the front from here.
I really did want to ride Star Tours, but it's just packed. It's ridiculous right now. Astro Blaster is 20 minutes, but it doesn't look like 20 minutes. It looks like it's freaking like 45. Look, it wraps all the way around. Alright, we're gonna be heading to like Batu. We're gonna make our way over there through the castle, I think, just to take a look at the castle, see how it is. There's a band playing, so I don't know if I can get through there. Oh, I think I can. There's people walking through. Let's go check out the band. Alright guys, we made it to the Star Wars place. I am actually going to grab...
Shot him, but that's not him.
I'm going to grab a blue milk.
Yeah, this is what that is. Yeah, it's supposed to be a little spicy.
Mom, blue milk. Alright, can I get one of the green swirl, please?
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
947. Pass or card?
Card, please.
All right. Would you like your receipt?
I'm okay, thank you very much.
You're all set. Enjoy. Have a great
Thank you.
rest
Yeah. Got the green swirl. Let's go take a sit somewhere. Alright guys, we're still drinking our drink here and it just started sprinkling. So we're gonna try out my umbrella rig. I've been thinking about this for a long time and I put together a little umbrella vlog rig. You guys that know me personally know that I have a rig for like everything, for like my bicycle, my motorcycle, my stream setup. Everything's like set up so I can live stream or capture video. So I have my umbrella set up and I'm gonna test it out, see how it goes. See you guys on the umbrella rig. Guys, we found thin jarring and global trout. Ooga, ooga. Love that old school horn. I want to get an old school horn for my car.
Okay, let's go over to Did we get one?
I think it's gonna be, I'm gonna call it a day for Disney. Just because it's gonna be raining soon. I did not get to use my new rainy day vlog setup, so which is okay, not too shabby. But I'm gonna hop back into one of these shops, the pin shop, and grab a grab that book that I wanted to try out. I think this shop's actually called the Footrest. But wait, where's the pin shop? Am I lost? Am I like way lost? Oh no, it's right here. Oh, little car. I think there's a new driver. All right, I think we're gonna pick this up. This one here. Hello.
969 discounts do apply if you have them.
Oh yeah, I do actually. There we go.
So 775.
Okay. Card, please.
Go ahead.
Cool.
Have a great day.
Thank you. There you go. All right, so we got the book. So my receipt's falling out. Let me fix that. Okay, well this bag's falling apart completely. Pluto. Oh, Pluto. We got a picture. We got a little selfie with Pluto. All right, guys. I'm coming in here. Operation Find the Candy, Find the Sebastian. Oh, I found the candy over there. So this is the candy. Maybe Sebastian. Let's go look for Sebastian. Usually it's here. Well, we're gonna get one of these for sure. And then no hay. Okay, well I guess we can get hay. Let's go. I guess no more Sebastian's over there? No. No more Sebastian. I guess we can get him. He looks pretty cool. Hey. Just these two. Do you guys carry the Sebastian anymore?
We do not. Not at the moment. I'm not sure if we'll get him back in, but I know we did have him. We just haven't had him.
Okay. And I have a manifest. If you have a bag that's maybe bigger than this one, that would be great. Cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, you too. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that's cool. That's like that Jungle Cruise style, I think. Yeah. Thank you. The bus. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna head back to the car, and we'll see you guys inside the car. Check me out on Twitch Monday, Wednesday, Friday evenings Pacific, 7 p.m. Pacific, or Sunday mornings. Sunday mornings I wake up super early, go grab a coffee, come back and stream for a little bit, just talk, chat, hang out with people. You know, that is live, so you guys can go in the chat, text, even come in my Discord and talk, like, you know, if you want to voice chat, and then we'll chat, we'll have a talk, and we'll hang out and have some coffee and watch some funny, silly videos and stuff, and yeah, just kind of hang out. So during the week, it's more like maybe gaming, just chatting, just random stuff, I guess. But Sunday morning is just talking, like hardly any gaming going on. But yeah, check me out on Twitch. Follow me, make an account. It's a free to make an account. You know, all you need is just your email or whatever. How you can sign up through your Apple account or through your Google account, and come talk, hang out, follow me. It's all free, you know, and come have a blast, join other nerds, and we all get together and chat. So hope to see you guys there. Instagram, Twitch. So it's twitch.tv/JON3787, twitch.tv/JON3787. Links will all be down in the video description down below. So oh, my phone was ringing. Just in case, you can go down there. Instagram at proxygate, and YouTube John3787. So see you guys next time.